water, listen to the water rolling down the river.
Well, we saw some birds by the waterside. We saw some birds by the waterside. We saw some birds by the waterside. Oh, oh, by the waterside. Oh, oh, by the waterside.
Listen to the water, listen to the water rolling down the river. Listen to the water, listen to the water rolling down the river.
Well, we saw some fish by the waterside. We saw some fish by the waterside. We saw some fish by the waterside. Oh, oh, by the waterside. Oh, oh, by the waterside.
Hello champion, how are you today? It's nice to have you again. Remember, in our last class we talked about how animals are born, and we said some animals are born alive while some are hatched from eggs. Today we'll be learning another interesting topic, which is characteristics of birds and characteristics of fish. Did you hear that? Characteristics of birds and characteristics of fish. So sit down quietly as we learn what birds can do and what fishes can do. Now look at this. Wow, birds can fly. Can you see these birds flying? Yes, birds can fly. Do you know why? They have wings. Birds have wings, so they can fly. Birds have two legs. Can you see these birds walking with their two legs? Yes, birds have two legs, and so they can walk. Birds have two legs to walk. And another one, birds lay eggs. Remember, we said some animals are hatched from eggs. Birds lay eggs. Birds have feathers covering their bodies. Birds have feathers covering their bodies to keep them warm. Yes, birds have feathers to keep their bodies warm. Now look at this. Birds live in nets. Birds live in nets. Now let's talk about fishes. Look at this. Fishes are aquatic animals. Fishes are aquatic animals. They live in water. Can you see them swimming in water? Fishes can swim. Fishes can swim. They swim in water. Now look at this. Fishes have fins and tail. Fishes have fins and tail. Fishes swim under water. Yes, they live under water. Fishes live under water. Look at this. Fishes have gills. Fishes have gills which enables them to breathe underwater. Fishes have gills which enables them to breathe underwater. Remember, we have been talking about characteristics of birds and characteristics of fish. And we have learned many things birds can do and things fishes can do. This brings us to the end of today's class. Meet you in our next class. Bye.